So your speech title is Lightness in My
No,
Fog.
the lighthouse in my fog.
Lighthouse in My Fog, yeah. Lighthouse in My Fog. Shreyas, thank you for it.
Thank you. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. Have you all ever been surrounded by fog, drifting, trying to get somewhere? Yes. That was my very first Toastmasters meeting as a guest at one of the clubs. I saw confident speakers, flawless evaluations, and the seamless distribution of ribbons to all the award winners. I felt invisible, completely lost and uncertain. To tell all of you, my father and my brother are also part of the Toastmasters fraternity, although the three of us belong to different clubs. So initially, I saw my father at home preparing for his project speeches. He would enthusiastically spam our family WhatsApp group with his speech videos to seek our feedback, suggestions, and even a cheer. He cogently told me why I must join Toastmasters. He said that Toastmasters is a great platform to work on your communication, public speaking, and leadership skills. At the first stage, initially, I was completely a naysayer. I was thinking that Toastmasters was overrated and it was just over-exaggerated, like beating a dead horse. It literally took me 1.5 years to join Emirates Toastmasters Club, the most vibrant club in town. Having said that, when I joined Toastmasters initially, I felt that it's just about giving speeches, and I didn't realize the back-end work that was involved in overcoming perfectionism, fear, and self-doubt. After attending a few meetings, our former VP Education Toastmaster Shani reached out to me and encouraged me to deliver my icebreaker speech. He appointed Toastmaster Sangeeta Mishra as my mentor. She helped me with the membership process and encouraged me to take on small roles such as the Word Master, Table Topics Master, and even the Shoot Master. Soon, she started helping me with my speeches as well, offering honest and constructive feedback. As the propinquity of my icebreaker speech approached, I was filled with nervousness and self-doubt. I was thinking to myself, will I be even able to do this? How will I be able to deliver a speech of 4 to 6 minutes with equanimity, when even delivering a table topic speech for 2 minutes was extremely challenging? Additionally, I even reached out to Division Director DTM Alvin. Both of them assured me, Shreyas, don't worry, it will go well. All you need is just the courage and self-belief to tell your story to the audience. Because you have to trust your voice, and when you trust your voice, it becomes extremely powerful. Keeping their words in mind, I confidently delivered my icebreaker speech. And to my surprise, I won the Best Speaker Award that day. So this became a turning point in my life. And both of them appreciated me for the speech, and they offered some feedback as well, which they are helping me in continuously working on that. Besides that, our club's mentor, Ramnath sir, also appreciated me for the speech and encouraged me to deliver the speech with the use of vocal variety. A few days later, in his conversation with my father, he appreciated me and told him that he's extremely impressed with me. So this was indeed a proud moment for all of us.
You have saved your father's name as PM.
It's okay. It's okay.
So it was a proud moment for all of us, and this encouraged me to take on more roles actively and be an active participant of the Toastmasters fraternity. So after that, I even took on further roles, that is not just with speeches but even as the TMOD, which further supported me and helped me in boosting my confidence. And not only that, with the Toastmasters activities that take place regularly, it's helping me in my personal and professional growth as well. And besides that, I also have the strong propensity of dancing and walking in a certain way, as I'm a passionate rapper. So besides that, I'm even working on standing straight with the right posture, because when we stand straight, it supports us and it boosts our confidence. And you know what? Toastmaster Sangeeta Mishra also told me that girls would notice me too if I stand straight. Just as how girls are noticing King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. And further, this also boosted my confidence levels, and now I've entered the XCOM and now I've taken up the secretary's role as well. So the message for all the guests that Toastmasters has been an excellent platform for my resurgence. I found my lighthouse, the right mentor, and with the right mindset, we will succeed. Thank you. Over to you.